Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing the Mango 101 peeling tutorial. Okay, this is my version of peeling the mango. It is the fastest and easiest way.
What are you using?
I use an axe, but you can use any other knife. I just like this axe because I go fishing and hunting and survival and everything with it, and it cuts very good. This is a Fiskus axe. Okay, so now you take this, you peel everything off, and that's how quick you can peel mango. These ones have quite a lot of fibers, but they're also good. Yeah, now you just cut the mango. If you cut it and eat it, you have less fibers than if you eat it directly. Good.